Sony has dominated the mirrorless camera market for years, consistently pushing the boundaries of what's possible in hybrid photography and videography. Now, with the much-anticipated Sony A7V on the horizon, expectations are through the roof. The A7V is set to build upon the already impressive A7 IV, bringing significant upgrades that could make it the best mirrorless camera in its class. Let's break down the rumored features, leaks, and expectations that make this camera a game-changer. Revolutionary 33MP stack sensor, a new era of speed. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the A7V is the rumored 33-megapixel stack sensor. While it might seem similar to the A7IV sensor, the key difference lies in readout speed. Stacked sensors process image data much faster, significantly reducing rolling shutter effects and making it easier to capture fast-moving subjects with absolute clarity. This enhancement could push the A7V closer to flagship-level performance, making it a top choice for sports, wildlife, and action photography. Unmatched video performance. 6K recording and 4K 60 FPS. Sony is no stranger to high-end video capabilities, and the A7V is expected to take things to another level. The camera is rumored to support 4K 60 FPS recording, which is a major upgrade for videographers. But what's truly exciting is the possibility of 6K recording. If this feature materializes, it will offer unprecedented flexibility in post-production, allowing for better cropping, downsampling, and editing without loss of detail. Additionally, there are whispers about open gate recording, a feature found in Panasonic's S5 II, which utilizes the full sensor for video capture. This could provide more creative control over aspect ratios, framing, and content versatility. AI-powered autofocus, the future of precision tracking. Sony's autofocus technology has always been a step ahead, and the A7V is expected to introduce even more advanced AI-driven subject tracking. Improvements in real-time eye detection and subject recognition could make focusing more accurate than ever, even in tricky lighting conditions. With Canon and Nikon also stepping up their autofocus game, Sony will need to push the boundaries to maintain its industry lead. If the rumored AI enhancements come to fruition, we could be looking at one of the most precise and reliable autofocus systems ever seen in a mirrorless camera. Enhanced low-light performance and advanced image stabilization. Low-light performance is crucial for photographers and filmmakers, and Sony appears to be taking this seriously. The A7V is expected to improve dynamic range and noise reduction, ensuring crisp, detailed shots even in challenging lighting conditions. Another area of improvement could be in-body image stabilization, IBIS. While the A7 IV had 5.5 stops of stabilization, competitors like Canon's R6 Mark II now offer up to 8 stops. If Sony enhances IBIS in the A7V, handheld shooters will benefit immensely, allowing for smoother videos and sharper images without the need for tripods or gimbals. Overheating solutions, a camera built for professionals. Overheating has been a concern in past Sony models, especially during extended video recording sessions. If Sony wants the A7V to be a true workhorse for professionals, it needs a solution. Rumors suggest Sony might introduce better internal heat dissipation, enhanced cooling mechanisms, or even an integrated fan system, similar to the Canon EOS R5C. Addressing these issues could make the A7V the go-to camera for long-duration recording without worries of shutdowns. Design and ergonomics. Small tweaks, big differences. While the A7V is likely to retain a form factor similar to its predecessor, expect minor yet impactful ergonomic enhancements. A more comfortable grip, refined button placements, and a redesigned menu system could improve usability. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the fully articulating high-resolution touchscreen, a feature highly demanded by vloggers and videographers. With brands like Canon and Panasonic already offering high-end displays, Sony must step up its game in this department. Upgraded EVF, a more immersive shooting experience. The A7V's 3.69 million electronic viewfinder, EVF, was decent but not groundbreaking. High-end cameras now feature sharper, higher-resolution EVFs, and it's time for Sony to follow suit. A sharper and more immersive EVF would be a significant advantage, particularly for photographers who rely on it for composition and manual focusing. Next-level connectivity and workflow enhancements. Sony could introduce dual-band Wi-Fi for faster and more reliable file transfers, improved wireless connectivity, and an intuitive menu system, an area where Sony has historically lagged, could be a game-changer. These workflow enhancements may not seem as flashy as a new sensor, but they are crucial for professionals who need seamless integration with remote apps and cloud-based editing. Faster burst rates and improved buffer performance. Another critical upgrade we might see is in burst shooting speeds and buffer performance. The A7 IV occasionally struggled with buffer limitations, slowing down action photography. If Sony improves buffer efficiency, we could see faster continuous shooting speeds with minimal interruptions, making the A7V an ideal camera for wildlife, sports, and event photographers. Final verdict. Is the Sony A7V worth the hype? Based on the latest leaks and rumors, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most powerful mirrorless cameras of the year. With its 33MP stacked sensor, AI-driven autofocus, 6K video recording, enhanced stabilization, and better heat management, it has the potential to set a new benchmark in the industry. While we should take these rumors with a grain of salt until Sony makes an official announcement, the anticipation surrounding the A7V is justified. If these features come to life, the A7V could redefine hybrid photography and videography, making it the ultimate tool for professionals and content creators alike. Are you excited about the Sony A7V? What feature are you most looking forward to? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Technology Review for the latest updates, in-depth camera reviews, and all things tech.